Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a shortcut to sound notifications using a volume up button and side button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut, we have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and here we have advanced settings menu. At the top we have a few options, but we are interested in side and volume up buttons. Right now we have mute all sounds, we don't want it. We want sound notifications here. So let's see if it's working. Side button and volume up button at the same time. Yes, it does work. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.